Use your free time at home productively and save money to boot. Lots of people are in the same situation as Linda right now. Because of the coronavirus crisis, she has lots of time at home. A little too much time. But Linda knows what to do about it. Because there are lots of things we use every day that she can easily make herself. It's fun to do, and even saves money. Linda gets started right away. First, she sews a nut milk bag from an old shirt. This bag Linda can use to make several great foods. Plant milk, for instance. To make it, she uses a base like almonds, oats, hazelnuts, or soybeans. These she soaks in water overnight. The next day, Linda mixes the base thoroughly with double the amount of water. Then she uses the nut milk bag to separate the solid parts of the mixture from the liquid. Done! Now she has tasty plant milk. If she made soy milk, she can now directly go on to making tofu. To do that, Linda mixes the soy milk with a coagulant-like vinegar lemon juice, or what is called nigari. This curdles the protein in the mixture and turns it into a mass. Linda uses a weight to press the remaining liquid from the mass, and her homemade tofu is ready for her next salad. When Linda wants to preserve some foods, she gets a little help. She uses lactic acid fermentation to turn cabbage into tasty sauerkraut. But many other vegetables also taste great when they are fermented. All Linda needs is water, sea salt, and a bale-style jar with a rubber seal. But look out! Do not use jars with twist-off lids as long as the fermentation is still going on. The fermentation process produces gases that have to be able to escape, or else the jar will explode. Speaking of preserving, Linda has another idea. She dries tomatoes. To do that, she slices the tomatoes and salts them generously. Then she puts them in the oven for 4 hours. The oven door is left open so the moisture can escape. Linda is proud. She made all the ingredients for a complete meal herself. A great feeling. You would like to try it too? To find the detailed instructions, click the link below the video. We hope you have fun, and good luck!